Have you ever stopped to think about how mind-blowing our universe truly is? Today, we're diving deep into some incredible science facts that will leave you astonished. Did you know that the human brain has about as many neurons as there are stars in our galaxy? That's roughly 100 billion neurons working tirelessly to make us who we are. Speaking of the universe, did you know that there are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way? It's true. There are over 3 trillion trees on our planet. Now, let's talk about something closer to home, your body. Did you know that your body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold? Yes, you heard that right. Most of it is in your blood. And speaking of elements, here's a quirky fact. Helium is the only element that was discovered in space before it was found on Earth. Imagine stumbling upon an element while looking at the stars. On to the animal kingdom. Imagine a frog that can survive being frozen. The wood frog does precisely that by essentially putting itself into a deep freeze state during winters. And in the deep ocean, there's a creature called the immortal jellyfish that can revert to its juvenile form once it reaches adulthood. It's nature's twist on the concept of eternal youth. Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning? Thankfully, that's not happening anytime soon. But if it did, the atmosphere would still be in motion, meaning everything on the surface would be swept away at about 1,100 miles per hour. Yet, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, adding an extra 1.7 milliseconds to our days every century. Now here's a fascinating geological fact. The Earth once had a supercontinent called Pangaea, which slowly drifted apart to form the continents we know today. But did you know that the continents are still on the move? They're drifting at the same rate your fingernails grow, about an inch per year. Finally, let's touch on technology. Did you know that the amount of digital information in the world could fill over 70 million stacks of books, each reaching from Earth to the Sun? Finally, let's touch on technology. Did you know that the amount of digital information in the world could fill over 70 million stacks of books, each reaching from Earth to the Sun? That's the astounding power of data we produce daily. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Whether it's the mysteries of the cosmos, the wonders of our planet, or the marvels of technology, science never ceases to amaze us.